Did you know that thousands of people lose money every year by buying the wrong property? Would you know how to spot a good investment? Or avoid a costly real estate mistake? What if finding your dream home could be simple, safe, and profitable? Are you someone who is seeking a comfortable home for your retirement? Or looking for a property for your investment to secure your future? But you want to spend wisely to avoid costly mistakes? You've come to the right place. But before we tackle everything, I would be happy if you liked my video and subscribed to my channel, so you won't miss an update of my upcoming videos about the step-by-step guide and tips before buying a property safe and secure. Hello, I am your trusted guide for buying your dream home. And welcome to the Gem of Property Specialist. Just like finding a rare gem, finding the right property requires knowledge, guidance, and the right strategy. On this channel, I'll help you find your dream home with confidence. Verify legal documents before buying. Avoid common real estate scams. Discover high-growth investment locations. Understand property transfers and legal processes. Learn how to maximize your property's return on investment. No confusing jargon, no sales pressure. Just clear, honest, and practical real estate advice. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or someone looking to grow wealth through real estate, an OFW investing for your future, my goal is to make property ownership easier, safer, and more rewarding for everyone. If you're ready to make smarter property decision and uncover hidden gems in the real estate market, subscribe now and see you in the next video.